So 5 reasons why you should go hiking. I mean, first of all, look at this place. Look at all this greenness. Goodness, right? So number 1 for me, the reason why I love hiking is the fresh air. The fact that you can just smell this fresh air and this fresh breeze, and it's refreshing, especially if you live in the city. Don't you just want to get out for at least 30 minutes a day? And number 2, I would say, if you're really quiet, you'll hear it. Right? Those birds, the trees, the little rattlesnakes here, just even the crickets. If you get really quiet, you can hear all of them. And then number 3, I would say, for me, is definitely just that peacefulness that comes with hiking in general. You can clearly just clear your thoughts and just think about your day, like what do you want to achieve today? What do you want to do? Who do you want to hang out with? And just your goals in general. I think it's actually really perfect to just kind of literally just clear your mind and just go for a nice hike, for a nice run in the morning with these kind of trails, dirt trails. And then number 4, obviously, is just appreciating this nature. Thank God for this beautiful nature, right? I mean, just look at this place. All this greenness. And then number 5 for me is, honestly, nothing is better than exercise. If you can go for a run, if you can just go for a really fast jog with your friends, or even biking, I feel like it's always so important to get out of the house, right? Always get out of the house to enjoy this nature, this fresh breeze. And on top of that, you're just completely clearing your mind and you're envisioning your goals, what you want to do in life, and all those good things. So these are my 5 top reasons why I love hiking. And I took you guys here with me. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.